LUMINA Smart Setup. Getting started and connection guide. First time setup. Registering your administrator. Step 1. Enter setup mode. Press star and hash to enter setup mode. Step 2. Enter default password. Enter 123456. Press hash to confirm. To add administrator. Step 3. Access the main menu. Press 1 for user management. Press 1 again for accessing adding users. Press 1 for adding administrator. Face recognition. Press 1 for input face. Position yourself in front of the camera and move your head according to the machine's indication. Password registration. Press 2 to input password. Create your 6 to 12 digit password. IC card registration. Press 3 to input IC card. Fingerprint registration. Press 4 to input fingerprint. Place your finger on the fingerprint reader and follow the voice prompts. Registration complete. Accessing the main menu. Alright, now that you registered as administrator, let me show you how to access the main control menu. This is where you'll do everything. Add user, delete users, change settings, connect to Wi-Fi, all of it. Adding users. To add user, navigate to adding user menu. Press 2 for adding common users or press 3 for adding guests. Step 4. Register user credentials. Follow the same process as adding administrator. To delete users, access user management. Select delete user. Press 3 to delete users. Choose the way of deleting the user. Congratulations, you're connected.